like the product so much that you just cut it in half. You have to use the last little drop. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm doing something a little different. So I'm gonna do an empty product review on everything. Makeup, household products, hair care, whatever I have empties of. I'm gonna share with you and I'm gonna let you know if I like it or if I don't. So let's go ahead on. Big bag of Trader Joe's products I have in here. What I have is not in any specific order. I'm gonna try to put hair care or household products together, but girl, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So let's just see how this goes. I just have all the ordinary products sitting right here. Just happen to be right here, so that's where I'm gonna go with them first. This is their glycolic acid toner. I love this. If you can't tell, it's all the way down here. This is my second bottle, so I'm going to repurchase another one. Love this stuff. Really love this. Been using this for over a year. Will not go back to anything else that I had previously. I will keep purchasing this. Now, the other two ordinary products I am not crazy about. This is the Ordinary's Vitamin C Suspension. I don't know if it was this one or the Ordinary's azelaic acid. I don't know which one of these irritated my skin because I used to use them together. And I just didn't like it. I felt like it didn't do anything for my skin and it irritated my skin. This product was supposed to be used in certain areas, and when I would put it on just those areas and then I would put a moisturizer on my face, of course the product will rub everywhere and under my eye. Every time I would use it, under my eye would get irritated and had little patch of bumps. These two are a no for me. I would not repurchase these two. This is Palmer's Coconut Oil Body Lotion. I used to use the original Palmer's Cocoa Body Lotion. My mother has been using that for years and she used that on us as kids, so that's what I used to use. And then my sister told me about this one. I like this one. I like both of them. So either the coconut oil one or the original Palmer's. Can't complain. Love both of them. Almost out of it and I will repurchase it. Next Palmer's is something I got from my mother as well. This is their Cocoa Butter Formula Moisturizing Gel. I used this in one of my videos. I think it was my nighttime routine. I love this. It has SPF 15 in it, but I don't use it to go outside. I put it on like my rough areas at night to make sure they moisturize my hands, my elbows, shoulders, and my feet. Sometimes my tummy, just to make sure they moisturize throughout the night. Love this stuff. Will repurchase. The Gleaming Vitamin C Mask. I know you've seen this everywhere, probably on YouTube, Instagram, wherever. Almost done. While I do like it, I feel like it's more for calming of my skin. Over time, after I was using it, it doesn't help me if I have a breakout. Would I repurchase it? I don't know. The Limes Cocoa from the Carbon Plus. This thing right here. And yeah, I don't have any left. None at all. I freaking love this. If I had a breakout and I would use this mask, the next day the breakout will be either gone or shrunk instantly. I'm not even joking. I love this. All the products that I'm using, I'll put it in the description box below if you want to go ahead and check them out. But I love this. This would be a heck yes. This would be a yes. I will repurchase. Ordinary, I forgot I had other products. I have two of their masks. This is the azelaic acid mask. It's black when you put it on, and when you rinse it off, it has like little exfoliating beads. It's like a mask and I can't even get it out. It's like a mask and an exfoliator. There we go. All in one. Love this. Will repurchase this. I really do like this one. And this is almost, I think it's done. I used the last little bit last night, so all done. Next mask from the Ordinary is their healing mask. The infamous red mask that was going around on YouTube about a year or two ago. Like everybody was doing this red face and like, what is going on? It's the red mask. Anyway, I only have like a little bit left and I love this mask. It is strong. So I guess it depends on your skin type and skin concerns. Be careful, but I love this stuff. My skin love it. If I have multiple breakouts and I want something to help me instantly, this will. Next two products are moisturizers. This is the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer, oil free. This right here, I feel like it's filled to the top and it has expired. So it's going in the trash regardless, but I don't like it. I don't know how long I had this. I had this for a while and I never really used it. It says oil-free, salicylic acid, acne medication. Moisturize dry skin, treats and helps prevent pimples. I don't think it did anything like that. I don't like it. Wouldn't buy it again. Wouldn't recommend it. Next moisturizer, Cetaphil Pro Oily Skin Oil Absorbing Moisturizer. This is a maybe. No, this is a no. It's a no. I didn't care for it. It wasn't as bad as this one, but I found a moisturizer that I like, and that video should be up. It's in my self-care pamper video. I think I showed you. Yeah, I showed you guys what moisturizer I like. I don't like this. Back to Palmer's. Girl. Have you ever liked a product so much that you just cut it in half? You had to use the last little drop, like you did not want it to go to waste. That's what I did. So this is Palmer's Coconut Water Foot Cream. Let me tell you something. This right here, after you get out the shower, put this on your feet. Put some socks on, and when you wake up in the morning, your feet will be nice and moisturized. I love this so much. I got this from Marshall's. I haven't seen it anywhere else. I brought 2 of them. I gave one to my mother. Kind of regret it. It's like, nah, not really, but I cannot find it anywhere, and I love this. I want to say I saw it on Amazon, but the price was just crazy. I only paid like maybe $3 or $4 for it. EO's Lip Balm. I love this. I have so many different chapsticks in my purses. Every purse I have a chapstick, and I have a chapstick and a hand sanitizer. No matter what purse I have, I know I'm going to have a chapstick, hand sanitizer, TMI, and a pad in it. But anyway, I love this. I have the ball too. Now, is it just me, but the formula feels different from the actual stick versus the ball. I don't know, call me crazy, I don't know, but I don't care for this one too much. I wouldn't buy this at all again, but I will always constantly buy the sticks. Yes to the stick, no to the ball. I got a couple hair care products, so let's go ahead and jump into the hair care product. Head and Shoulders Royal Oil Daily Moisturizer Scalp Cream. I have used this when I have braids to cleanse my scalp. Now, I guess I'm not the best person to do a review on this because I don't get dandruff. So I think this is more for, prevents dandruff, moisturized scalp. I don't think I ever really seen dandruff on my scalp. So that's why I wouldn't repurchase it again. But I do have family members and friends who have used this and they love it. So I think it's a great product because I go off their word. Ozzy's 3-Minute Miracle. I will forever use this product. Number 1, it's inexpensive. Number 2, it works wonders. I love this product. I have used it when I took out braids and I had, the gunk at the top of your braids. I had some of that. I'll use this to get the gunk out my hair. Use this for a deep conditioner. Use this for regular conditioner. Use this to co-wash my hair. Use this for every single thing. I love this. I always have to keep this in my house. Love it. I can't say anything bad about it. Love it, love it, love it. We'll always use this. The Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo. And I went through about 3 bottles of this. I think I need to calm down because I might be clarifying my hair too much. But I love how this gets my hair nice and squeaky clean. My scalp feels good. Your hair will be brittle. I'm just going to call it what it is. So I've learned that I should use, or you should use, a moisturizing shampoo after you use this. Love it. Another product, Aunt Jackie's, not on my watch. This is an instant detangling therapy. I did not like this at first because I felt like it was useless for me. After revisiting this product later on, I really do like it. Now, if you have kinky hair, you need a detangler, this is great. This would be a great product. I didn't care for it too much because I used to style my hair as soon as I finished washing, I would style it instantly. But lately, I've been letting my hair dry, then I will style it. So while my hair was dry, it was more kinky. And then when I use this, it would definitely melt them kinks away. So love this. Great detangler. I'm glad I gave it another shot because I do like it. And I do need to buy some more. All the way is gone down here. This is Dark and Lovely All Natural Moisture Lock. Honestly, I can't even remember because I ran out this product a long time ago. I can't even remember if I loved it, if I really want to get it again or not. I know it smelled good, but what I do like is the actual bottle. I like how it sprays. It gives you a nice mist. So I'm going to keep the bottle. So you put other products in or just regular water. Love the bottle. The product, I can't really remember. I won't repurchase, but I do like the spray bottle. This is Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. I wanted to love this so bad. I really, really did. It smells good and I just wanted to like it. But it does not hold anything. Like, I don't even know what it's there for. Just to smell good. As soon as I put it on my edges, it's gone. My hair smells good, but it's not laying nothing down, so it's kind of pointless. I think if you have really, really loose curls, it might be good for you. But if you got some kinky, curly hair like mine or kinkier, I would say don't even waste your time. What I will say you should buy is Edge Fixer by Kiss. I don't know. I think this is the Edge Control, the girl, what's her name? Sweetie was promoting. I think that's her. I'm not even sure. I don't know. But I do like this. It is inexpensive compared to other edge controls. It's $5. And it really does work. It does leave a white cast. Most of them will leave a white cast. I mean, that's just what they do. I haven't found one that has not left a white cast. So I'll just put a little water on it or a little oil and it'll take away the white cast. But it does work and I will buy it and it's inexpensive. Will repurchase this again. It's all gone. Yeah. Empty. TRESemmé Heat Protectant. I love this heat protectant. Love it so much. This is my favorite and expensive and you can't go wrong with it. Love it. Will be a staple in my collection forever. Curl's Daughter Almond Milk Deep Conditioner. It smells so freaking good. Like, I don't know if they still have a whole body line, the almond milk. Whew, everything smells so good. I love the way it made my hair feel, also smell. Just love it. All gone. Will repurchase it again. The Jamaican Mango and Lime. Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This one is all gone. But I have a couple of their Jamaican Black Castor Oils. Love them all. Smell good. Feel good. Just, I love Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Cream of Nature's Jet Black Rinse. Put 2 boxes in my hair. I was getting bored with my hair and yeah, I was just getting bored with it. I didn't want to put any color like blonde, red or anything in my hair. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead and just dye it black. Because that's the color I usually would wear when I do a protective hairstyle anyway. I would buy black hair to put it in. So why not just dye my hair black? And that helped me curb my craving of dyeing my hair. So this is what I have in my hair now. Some jet black rinse. Hair mousse. This hair mousse, I used to use TRESemmé. And someone brought it to my attention that TRESemmé does have alcohol in their mousse. Even though I don't mousse my hair a lot, I usually just use it the first time I do a protective hairstyle. I'll mousse my hair and that's it, that one time. But I said, okay, well, if I can find one that's alcohol free, why not just switch to that? Because of course, alcohol free is better for your hair. So this is the one that I use. It's alcohol free and I like it. It has done the job. I brought like, it's probably like my 3rd can. I like it. I really do like it. African Pride Moisture Miracle Gel and Cream. I love this. Now let me tell you, I do have to use the whole bottle pretty much to style my hair one time, which is not too bad because when I use this, my hair will last for 2 weeks. Yes, the first week my hair will be crunchy crunch down, okay? It'll be really super crunch the first week, but the second week my curls will be bouncing, flowing, nice and defined. So it's not bad that I only could use it one time, but I do like this. Will repurchase it. And this is Hairfinity Gentle Cleansing Shampoo. I do like the way it smells, but it's real thin. Like, I have tried really liquidy or thin shampoos in the past, and I want my shampoos to be a little thicker. I don't like them to be like water. So I probably would not repurchase this again. Last bottle of hair product. This is my DIY hair whipped cream, butter, whatever you want to call it. I did a video showing y'all how I make mine. I'll put the video right here if you want to watch it. But I love my DIY whipped shea butter. I just love it. I still use it in my hair to this day. It feels good, it smells good, and it's like my product. Next couple products, it's like just some random stuff I do with the bag. So let me just go through it real quick. For body, this is my ultimate favorite shower gel. Love Beauty and Planet Body Wash Turmeric Tonic. I love this. So keep on buying it over and over and over again. Love it. Mouthwash. You just need mouthwash. And this is the one I love right now. It's Crest with alcohol. I know people say you should use alcohol, you shouldn't use alcohol. I don't know. I like a little burn so I can know that it's working good and properly. So this is what we've been using at my house. Almost gone. So need to buy another one. Absolutely love it. That's what we're talking about. Dental products. Little floss stick. I have a pack of these at my lunch bag. My man, he has one in his lunch bag. We keep these in the bathroom, and I keep some on a nightstand because there's one thing I cannot stand. It's some food or anything stuck in my teeth. It just drives me crazy. Love these. Use them all the time. Next product, Pine Sol. Honestly, I have never used Pine Sol until I got with my man. He loved cleaning with Pine Sol. I'm more of a Mr. Clean kind of girl. That's what I grew up using. But Pine Sol is fine too. And actually, it does smell good after you clean with it and you leave out the house, come back, and it is a nice clean smell. So it does smell good. Would I buy this over my Mr. Clean? No. But I'll use it if it's in the house because he likes it. So I guess, yeah, we would repurchase it again. And last product is one of my Suja drinks. This is Suja Strawberry Guava. This is good, but I want to say all of the Suja drinks that I've had taste amazing. The only ones that you got to prepare yourself for is like the green drinks. Some of the green drinks are just straight celery juice, or it does not have any apple or pineapple to cut that real grassy taste. So those are like, but I'm used to that because if I grab that, I know what I'm drinking, so I could just get my mind ready for it. Like, this is not juice, this is straight celery, so it's fine with me. But all of the other juices that have like flavors like pineapples, turmeric, strawberries, lemon, raspberry, matcha, they have so many flavors and they all taste amazing. No lie, they are a little pricey, but they are healthy and good for you. So I do love Suja drinks. So yeah, that is the end of the video. I had fun recording this video for y'all. Let me know if you like this type of video, if you're interested in more. And if you are interested, should I do just all hair care empties and all skincare empties, or all household product empties, or doing it like I did today, which is a collective of everything that I had that was empty that I used over the couple weeks. So you want a collective haul, or you want it broken down to categories, or keep it as it is? Let me know in the comments down below. This was so much fun. I think I might do this once every couple months. I don't know. Let me know again down in the comments if you like this video and if you want to see more videos like this. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, also, if you want to see how I got these curls, I just recorded a video showing you how I got this. So the video will be right here and it will be down in the description box below. So anyway, as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.